Historic blizzard of 2016 was no match for a determined family who fought the elements to make it to the hospital to deliver a newborn baby during the height of the storm. WJZ is live. Amy Yensi with more on the touch-and-go moments for this family. Amy.
Vic, both mommy and baby are doing just fine, but the proud parents say the ride to the hospital in all that snow is one they'll never forget. As the blizzard dumped more than 2 feet of snow, another storm was brewing for this couple. Their baby boy was on the way.
There's so much snow, you couldn't see anything.
And it was falling.
It looked like a white wall in front of us.
When Minty Bahari went into labor Saturday, the roads to the hospital were a mess.
They came with a fire engine and they all started shoveling the driveway to get out.
Matthew Michael was due to arrive January 30th, but he couldn't wait to make his grand entrance until the streets were plowed. The trip to Sinai Hospital hit some major roadblocks.
The chain snaps from the tire, so we got one chain on one tire and the other chain, there's no chains.
The paramedics said, between here and the hospital, if anything happens, I'm going to deliver the baby.
But the couple did make it to the hospital thanks to the persistent paramedics from the Reisterstown Volunteer Fire Department. Less than 2 hours later, the baby arrived at 4 pounds, 3 ounces.
Little Matthew's arrival during the storm has earned him a new nickname, Blizzard Baby.
The name is catching on. The couple plans to tell their boy his birthday is a part of history.
I'm glad it happened this way because we have a story to tell.
And the baby and mom are now out of the hospital. I'm sure their ride back home was much, much smoother. Reporting live tonight, Amy Yensi, WJZ Eyewitness News. Back to you.
That baby was so advanced it was probably driving home. All right. Amy, thank you very much. Couple says they did consider naming the baby Jonas, just like the storm.
That would be something.
Amazing story. Your kid looks so cute.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a